Hello all, welcome to EdrawMax. In this video, we'll learn about format options. First, we'll look at the Fill format option, No Fill. To set no fill in a shape, drag a shape onto the canvas from the library. Navigate to the right pane, click on the Fill icon. Choose No Fill. When you choose No Fill, the fill color of the shape will become the same as the background color. Now let's see about Solid Fill. To add a solid fill color in a shape, select the shape, navigate to the right pane. Under the Fill icon, choose Solid Fill. Choose Preset Colors on the drop-down menu. You'll see Recently Used Colors, Theme Colors, Standard Colors. Choose your desired color. Adjust the shade and transparency values as needed, as shown. Now let's look at Gradient Fill, a gradual progression of colors and shades. To set Gradient Fill in a shape, drag the shape, then choose Gradient Fill on the Style Fill pane. Choose the desired type from the drop-down. Select the appropriate direction. Set the desired angle. Click the plus sign to add gradient stops. Choose the desired color to modify the gradient stops accordingly. Adjust the shade at each gradient stop as needed. Set the transparency to the desired level. This will create a gradient effect in the shape. Now let's look at Pattern Fill. To set Pattern Fill in a shape, drag the shape, then choose Pattern Fill on the Style Fill pane. Choose the desired hatch from the drop-down as needed. Select the appropriate foreground color from the Color panel. Adjust the shade and transparency values for the desired effect. Pick the right background color and adjust its shade and transparency values as shown. Now let's look at Picture or Texture Fill. To set a picture fill in a shape, drag any shape from the library, then choose Picture Fill on the Fill pane. Choose the right texture from the drop-down. Adjust its transparency. You can also insert your own pictures as a custom texture fill style. Now let's look at Line Format Fill. To set no line, drag a shape onto the canvas from the library. Navigate to the right pane. Click on the line icon. Choose No Fill. When you choose No Line for the selected shape, the shape outline will disappear. Now let's look at the Solid Line option. Navigate to the Symbols tab. Select Line and draw a line on the canvas. Under the line icon, choose Solid Fill. Customize the solid fill properties until the desired effect is achieved. Now we'll look at Gradient Lines. Select Shape. Select Gradient Line under the Fill icon. Adjust the gradient properties to achieve the desired effect as shown. Now we'll look at line style. To quickly modify line style, select Line and click on the line style icon under Styles. Adjust the line width as needed, choose the appropriate arrow styles for both right and left, choose the right rounding size, and select the arrow size for both right and left arrow styles. Lastly, pick the right line type. Now let's look at connector styles. Select the connector. Under the line style icon, choose the right connector style as needed. Set the required jump direction as shown. Also choose the necessary jump style. Now let's look at shadow format. Choose any shape from the library. On the right sidebar, click the Style icon to open the shadow pane. Select the right presets for the shape from the drop-down. Choose the color of the shadow. Adjust the transparency level. Set the shadow size. Adjust the blur value. Set the angle of the shadow, X offset and Y offset, to achieve the desired shadow effect. Thanks for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more EdrawMax videos.